Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 8. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to create number bonds with 10 as a whole. So, looking at this, same look as what we've been doing in our previous lessons. Except the only thing different is that we're making 10 instead of 9 or 8 that we've been making. So, looking at this, we have to find which two numbers make 10. So, let's see. What about 5 and 4? Put up 5 fingers, add 4 more. So, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, nope, not 9. We need just one more to make 9. What about 6 plus 3? We know that 6 and 3 make 9. Nope, we're trying to make 10. So now what about 6 plus 4? So put up 6 fingers and then 4. Well, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, yep, that works. So we know that 6 and 4 make 10. So 6 and 4 are our whole. 6 and 4 are our parts, and makes up 10, which is our whole. So now we put that in our number sentences. We know that our parts, 6 and 4, are going to hug that plus sign because we keep our numbers happy. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now this next number sentence is no big deal. We know that the whole just wanted to be first this time. So 10 equals 6 plus 4. And we know that we can do that switcheroo, and we can change those parts around to where that 4 can be the first part, to where it's 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 10 equals 4 plus 6, and it'd be the same thing. Now in this case, there's no other two dice that can make 10. And of course, we know, because we learned in class, there's other ways to make 10, but there's some numbers that we're missing. Dice only go up to number 6. We're missing 7 and 8. So that's the reason why we can't really make any more. If we had 2 5s, we could have done 5 plus 5. But there's no 2 dice, and so we can't actually include those. Okay, so there is other ways to make 10, but just not with these dice that we are given. Alright guys, that is it for this video.